He's a 10, but he can't drive.
0.
Oh god.
Maybe 1.
No, I want them to drive me around.
It's a little bit of an inconvenience. Just grow up. Get behind the wheel, grow up.
Hi guys, we're here at Derby Uni Freshers Fair with Driving Test Success.
And we've got some questions for you students. Hi, what's your name?
My name's Beth.
Riley.
Hi Riley.
I'm Ollie. Tommy.
So, they're a 10, but they can't drive.
He's a 10, but he can't drive.
0.
Oh god.
Maybe 1.
They're a 10, but they can't drive.
It's about the personality.
No, I want them to drive me around. Like, if they can't drive, a 4. Oh, wow, they go down
That's a drop.
by 6. Yeah.
6.
Explanation?
They're all right, but like you've got
You
to
don't wanna
share
be
lives.
driving all the
You've got to
time.
share the lives.
Especially now with petrol prices,
Yeah,
you've got to be
exactly.
fair.
Um,
No, I don't think that's an issue.
No,
car
still say
car
that?
days are cool. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
That's
So you're
okay.
happy driving around?
Yeah.
Maybe a 6.
Oh, what's your
7 or
reasoning?
8. It's a little bit of an inconvenience.
They're a 10, but they can't drive. What are they?
No. 10 still.
Okay,
So I can't
fair.
drive.
Okay, you'd prefer to drive yourself?
Because I quite like the idea of being a taxi for someone.
Oh, fair.
Yeah.
Date night.
Yeah, especially if we're going like from Derby to like London or to
Yes,
Birmingham.
we're not getting the train.
No, so a -1.
Oh!
I'd probably have to say 5. Yeah.
Man, half.
Yeah, you just grow up. Get behind the wheel, grow up.